Good morning. I'm Devisena. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about transfer function of field-controlled DC motor. This topic is presented as subject control system. Transfer function of field-controlled DC motor. The speed control system is an electromechanical control system. The electrical system consists of armature and field circuit, but for analysis purpose only field circuit is considered because the armature is excited by a constant voltage. The mechanical system consists of the rotating part of the motor and the load connected to the shaft of the motor. The field-controlled DC motor speed control system is shown below. This is the diagram representing the field-controlled DC motor speed control system. Here, the input variable is the field voltage, V suffix F. The armature is supplied by a constant voltage, and the output variable is the angular displacement theta of t. Here is a representation. Let R suffix F is the field resistance, its unit is ohms. L suffix F is the field inductance, its unit is Henry H. I suffix F is the field current, its unit is amps A. V suffix F is the field voltage, its unit is V. K suffix Tf is the torque constant, its unit is Newton meter per amps. T is the torque developed by the motor, its unit is Newton meter. Then theta is the angular displacement of the shaft, its unit is in radians. J is the moment of inertia of the motor and load, its unit is kg meter square per radian. B is the frictional coefficient of the motor and load, its unit is Newton meter per radian per seconds. The equivalent circuit of field is shown in the below figure. There is a representation of the equivalent circuit of the field. The field is applied by a voltage V suffix F. Because of the applied voltage, current IF is flowing through the resistance R suffix F and inductance L suffix F. The voltage drop across the resistance is I suffix F into R suffix F. Similarly, the voltage drop across the inductance is LF dIF by dt. By Kirchhoff's voltage law, we can write I suffix F R suffix F plus LF dIF by dt, that is equal to V suffix F. Consider this is equation 1. Torque of the DC motor is proportional to the product of flux and armature current. Since armature current is constant in the system, the torque is proportional to the flux alone. But flux is proportional to the field current, so T is directly proportional to the I suffix F. That is, the torque is directionally proportional to the field current I suffix F. Therefore, T is equal to K suffix Tf I suffix F. Consider this as equation 2, where K suffix Tf is the torque constant. The mechanical system of the motor is shown below in the figure. This is the representation of a mechanical system for this DC motor. The differential equations governing the mechanical system of the motor is given by J into d square theta by dt square plus B into d theta by dt, that is equal to T. Consider This is equation 3. The Laplace transform of various time domain signals involved in this field controlled DC motor system are shown below. Laplace transform of V suffix f is equal to capital V suffix f of s. Laplace transform of the torque T is equal to capital T of s. Laplace transform of the field current I suffix f is equal to capital I suffix f of s. Similarly, Laplace transform of the angular displacement theta is equal to theta of s. The differential equations governing the field controlled DC motor speed control system are, we have written the equations 1, 2, 3 are shown below. I suffix f r suffix f plus L suffix f dIf by dt, that is equal to V suffix f. This is our equation 1. T is equal to K suffix Tf If. This is our equation 2. And J into d square theta by dt square plus B into d theta by dt, that is equal to T. This is our equation 3. Taking Laplace transform of the above equations with zero initial conditions, we get Rf I f of s plus Lf s I f of s, that is equal to V f of s. This is the equation 4. That is, we have taken the Laplace transform of the equation 1. If we take the Laplace transform of the equation 2, means we get T of s is equal to KTF I f of s. This is of equation 5. And if we take the Laplace transform of equation 3, means we get J s square theta of s plus B s theta of s, that is equal to T of s. This is our equation 6. Equating equation 5 and equation 6, we get K suffix Tf I of s is equal to J s square theta of s plus B s theta of s. So I f of s is equal to s into Js plus Bs, the whole close bracket, theta of s divided by K suffix Tf. Consider this as equation 7. Now equation 4 can be written as If of s open bracket Rf plus SLf close bracket, that is equal to V suffix f of s. Consider this as equation 8. On substituting for I suffix f of s from equation 7 in equation 8, we get Rf plus SLf close bracket s into Js plus Bs close bracket theta of s divided by K suffix Tf, that is equal to Vf of s. That is, theta of s divided by Vf of s is equal to K suffix Tf divided by s into Rf plus SLf into B plus Sj. That is, theta of s by V suffix f of s is equal to K suffix Tf divided by s into Rf open bracket 1 plus SLf divided by Rf close bracket into B into open bracket 1 plus Sj divided by B close bracket. This can be represented as K suffix m divided by s into 1 plus STf close bracket B into open bracket 1 plus s suffix tm. Theta of s by V suffix f of s is equal to K suffix m the whole divided by s into 1 plus STf close bracket B into open bracket 1 plus STm close bracket. Consider this as equation 9, where K suffix m is equal to K suffix Tf divided by R suffix f B. This is our motor gain constant. T suffix f is equal to L suffix f divided by R suffix f. This is our field time constant. T suffix m is equal to J divided by B. This is our mechanical time constant. Equation 9 represents the transfer function of field control DC motor. In general, transfer function is the ratio of the Laplace transform of the output variable to the Laplace transform of the input variable. For the field controlled DC motor, the Laplace transform of the output variable is theta of s. Similarly, the Laplace transform of the input variable is v suffix f of s. Therefore, we have obtained the transfer function of the field controlled DC motor as theta of s divided by v suffix f of s. This is indicated in equation 9. Thank you very much for listening this lecture. If you like this lecture means kindly share this video to your friends and kindly subscribe this channel.